Hey there, are you spending countless hours updating your data on Salesforce? Are you drowning in large amounts of data and unable to get actionable insights from it? Is inaccurate and outdated data affecting your performance? Well, in that case, it is time for you to free yourself from limitations in Salesforce by using GridMate. With its spreadsheet-like interface, you can say goodbye to disorganized data and endless clicking as we simplify your Salesforce user experience to help you achieve two things: productivity and utilization. As a sales executive, GridMate can help you create a user grid for opportunities and manage your pipeline with ease. Group opportunities by stage, aggregate the amount, and even apply color conditioning to easily spot the late opportunities, and the best part, it's all customizable to fit your needs. But what if you're a sales manager? What's in it for you? Check out the 360-degree view of opportunities on the account page with related products. Plus, we've got a pivot grid to easily update forecasts by opportunity. And if that's not enough, we also offer a report table for your orders report, supercharging your sales management for maximum efficiency. Now that we've seen how GridMate can help sales managers, let's take a look at how our features can benefit service managers. GridMate allows you to stay on top of inspections with its intuitive calendar feature. Easily see all assigned inspections and make changes on the go. Use the drag and drop feature to edit, move, or reassign inspections and reduce your clicks by over 90%. Service agents, it's time to unleash your potential and step up your game. Are you ready? Check out the Kanban grid view on the home page, where you can easily see your assigned inspections and update them as they move through different stages, from new to working on to closed, for you to stay on top of all your inspections. With over 30 components to enhance your user experience in Salesforce, GridMate supports any industry, use case, or cloud. Ready to unleash your team's potential and supercharge performance? Start your free trial today.